Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Okay. Be safe at your home. Okay. Today we will learn English subject. Which subject we will learn today? English subject. Okay. And in which class you are? LKG. In which class you are? LKG. Okay. In which school you are studying? Gokuldas Public School. Okay. In which school you are studying? Gokuldas Public School. Okay. In previous lectures we have learned phonic sound of a, b, k, d, e, k. Okay. We have learned phonic sound of all this letter. Okay. Today we will learn phonic sound of okay. Which letter is this? Tell me. Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? H. What is the phonic sound of H? What is the phonic sound of H? What is the phonic sound of H? H for hat. H for house. H for hat. H for hair. H for hand. H for hand. Okay. H for hands. H for hands. Okay. We have already learned phonic sound A to G. Okay. Today we will learn phonic sound of okay. Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? H. H. And sound of H is repeat after me. Sound of H is H for hat. H for house. H for hat. H for hair. H for hair. H for hand. H for hand. So what is sound of H? What is sound of H? What is sound of H? Do like this. Do repeat after me. Sound of H is head. Head. Hat. Hat. House. 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 Hat. 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 Okay. Hat. House. Hat. Hair. Hair. Hand. Hand. Okay. What is the sound of H? 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 Do like this. Yes, open your mouth and from sound should become like this. Okay. H. hat, at, hat, house, 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 at, house, 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 hat, 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 hair, hair. Okay, sound of H is, okay, sound of H is hand, hand, hand. Okay, what is the sound of H? Sound of H is, sound of H is, sound of H is, okay, sound of H is, okay, sound of H is, okay. Now you repeat after me, okay, you have to repeat after me. Hat, hat, repeat like this, hat, at, hat, at, hat, okay, very good. House, 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 okay, what is sound of H? House, hat, hat, hair, hair, hand, hand, okay, very good, well done. Okay, now we will revise phonic sound of A2, A2, okay, A, apple, aeroplane, okay, ant, A, which sound is this? A, bus, bell, ball, okay, A, b, b, k, k, which sound is this? K, cat, car, cup, d, doll, door, drum, d, 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 doll, drum, door, egg, elephant, egg, elephant, fish, fish, fun, fun, okay, gun, girl, glass, okay, phonic sound of g, 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 glass, g, girl, g, goat, okay, hat, house, hat, hair, hand. Okay, what is the phonic sound of H? Phonic sound of H is hat, house, hat, hair, hand. Okay, a, b, k, d, e, f, g. Okay, what we have learned? We have learned phonic sound. Okay, a, b, k, d, e, f, g, h. Okay, did you remember? Did you enjoy this phonic sounds? Okay, again repeat after me. Okay, sister, all of you, fold your hands. Okay, sister, and fold your hands. Listen to me carefully, and with me you also repeat. With me you also repeat. A, b, k, d, e, g, h. Okay, a, aeroplane, a, apple, a, ant, a, arrow, b, bus, b, bell, b, ball, b, bat, k, cat, k, cup, k, car, k, comb, d, door, d, doll, d, drum, egg, elephant, exit, entry, fish, fun, fan. Okay, glass, girl, goat, gate. Okay, hat, house, hat, hair, hand. Okay, did you like? Again, a, b, k, d, e, f, g. Okay, a, b, k, d, e, f, g. Okay, what we have learned? We have learned phonic sound. Let dog say. What does dog say? What is the sound of dog? How dogs say? Bhav bhav na? Like this only. All the letters have their own sound. Okay, all the letters have their sounds. Okay. We have learned phonic sound. Now we will learn sight words. What we will learn? We will learn sight word. Okay. What we will learn? We will learn sight word. Look here. Today we have learned phonic sound of H. H. He. H. E. He. He is my best friend. Okay. He is a good boy. He. H. E. He. H. E. He. Okay. A. T. At. A. T. At. I live at Khargone. Okay. At. At. He. 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 At. Okay. I always remain good friend as I was. Okay. I always remain good friend as I was. He. Okay. This is a sight word. What is this? This is sight words. So you have to repeat again and again at your home. Okay? He. At. Okay? He. At. He. Okay? Repeat after me. He. Okay? Very good. So you repeat this side word at home. Okay? Now again we will revise side word. Okay? Sorry. He. Okay? Now B. C. D. E. F. G. H. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Okay, we have learned phonic sound of this. Okay, now and sight word. He. S. Okay. In homework I have given you capital letter A, B, C and D. In your book is there na capital letter? Okay. Now today your homework is you have to write letter D in your book. You have got the book, pink color book. In that book you have to write letter D. Your homework. Okay. Your homework. You have to complete the page of letter D at your home. Okay. And revise the rhymes. Okay. And revise the rhymes also with action. With action you have to recite the rhymes. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.